Hello, Aquaculture Tribe. Hope you're all well and had a nice vacations during the new year. Uh, the thing is that I haven't been posted so many videos lately. It's because I have been very busy. And previously, we have been also testing different methods to produce videos. Hope you have seen some of those. But it's an ongoing process. And as always, I am. Sorry that I couldn't make videos regularly. Sometimes I'm also traveling a lot and there are a lot of things going on, so it's not easy. But recently, somebody said that they will like to know more about Pangasius feed. So I thought maybe make a quick short video on Pangasius feed to get the basics done. So let's jump right in. So Pangasius feed is a very common fish species. It's in many Asian countries. This fish species is really common and it's quite cheap fish actually to buy. And the feed is very interesting. You have commercial feeds for it. You have homemade feeds for it. You have like a lot of variability and flexibility in this as well. So related to the formulation or related to the ingredients and everything. So let's walk through the next slide and we can discuss more. Uh, I think yes. Um, so this fish feed has protein content, and the protein content is around 28 to 32%, which is recommended levels, which is very low if you see compared to the rainbow trout or Atlantic salmon, for example. So it's more like you can say you can think about tilapia when you're thinking about the proteins here, roughly, but not exactly. And then you have these protein sources, which are coming from mostly animal sources, and it can also be coming from the plant sources, but it's not really high-end plant sources. It's more like the byproducts could also be used here from the plant sources. And some of the common ones are rice bran, and you have corn. Of course, corn is commonly available in many regions. This is one of the main ingredients also in the diet. And then you have animal protein meals, different types, like fish meal, for example. Also meat and bone meal, blood meal, poultry byproducts. So these type of ingredients, they can be used in the recipe. But the Pangasius fish have a little bit difference in the way you grow it because you focus in the starting stage with the length. Like you raise the fish to have a proper length, and in the next phase you feed the fish with more carbohydrates like plant ingredients such as cereals, for example, like wheat and corn are two examples of the carbohydrates. And these type of ingredients, then you focus on fish to eat more so that they can gain more weight. So this is like basic concept behind it. And if you want to use, of course, the local ingredients, you can use local ingredients based on what you have, but you have to be more smarter when it comes to choosing those ingredients and what are their nutritional profiles. So you can always ask for the recipes by sending the email, or if it's a bigger project, we can collaborate. And then the FCR in this fish is a little bit higher. It's not like rainbow trout or salmon. This FCR is around 1.7 to 2 or more than that because you're using a lot of carbohydrates and then you also have to be careful when it comes to the waste, for example, coming out of the fish. The water quality is also a key challenge in this type of farming because you have a lot of undigestible feed. So these are the few challenges in it. But in a nutshell, what I would like to say to summarize that this is very simple process. and with few small details to understand, you can actually make it. And when it comes to premix is another topic, which is, of course, you have to make it like in a way that all the amino acids are kind of profile of those amino acids are all intact, and you are getting what you need, and you're not putting anything extra to make things more expensive. So for premix and for amino acids also, please do let me know if you need any help. But thanks for listening. And I am actually not promising again to keep posting a lot, but I will try my best. But as always, we are available on the email, and you can also send a message on WhatsApp. But thanks a lot for listening, and have a nice day.